Welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video we are going to talk about the top 5 best electric bikes. Before starting this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. Electric bikes are now conquering the world by storm. E-bikes are a greener, safer, and less expensive way to go around town. On the road or on challenging trails, the best electric bikes on the market are a lot of fun to ride. There's nothing like a burst of electric power to brighten your day, and your speed too, of course. Especially when it comes with the ease of a single button press. Outdoor fun that doesn't need breaking a sweat? I'll be there. With a slew of new businesses cropping up left and right, the electric bike market is quickly expanding to meet consumer demand. Our editorial team analyses the top best e-bikes on the market right now to help you distinguish the good from the bad. We've divided our list into categories to make it easier for you to locate the electric bike that's right for you. Of course, we found the greatest premium and high-end e-bikes for you. However, we found some great deals for every budget, including a few bikes under $1,000. Thankfully, you don't have to spend a fortune on an e-bike to obtain a good one. We've also included a list of the most significant technical specifications for each model, so you can immediately understand what's most important to you. Understanding how the engine, battery, and range work together will very certainly be a deciding factor in determining which electric bike is ideal for you. Here are the top 5 best electric bikes. Number 5. Rad City 4, Best Overall Electric Bike. The ride is both smooth and strong. On the road, it's easy to drive, but it's also capable off the beaten path. The Rad City 4 bike easily defeats the category's overall best electric bike for 2021. The Rad City 4 has been updated to include a single 18.5-inch frame size to accommodate a larger range of riders. It's suitable for a wide range of riders and terrains, making it an excellent pick. On longer rides, the redesigned handlebars are meant to keep you comfortable. The Rad City 4 has puncture-resistant tires, which is one of the year's highlights. Inside the tire, a cushion layer of defense protects against punctures caused by thorns, glass, and other small objects. When climbing hills, the 7-speed gear provides greater torque, and when cycling on flat ground, it provides more speed. A rear brake light is also fitted to keep you safe and visible on the road. For additional information and the most up-to-date price, visit Rad Power Bike's website and read the entire bike technical description. If you want to compare options and costs, we also offer a comprehensive Rad Power Bikes review of their most popular models. Best 4. Your everyday commute and regular road cycling, the Rad City 4 is great. The Turbogo Ranger R1 electric bike, which won our Best Value Electric Bicycle of the Year award, hits the perfect balance between price and quality. It's the cheapest of our top 3 bikes, but it's not inexpensive in terms of build quality. Number 4. The Turbogo Ranger R1 bike. The Turbogo Ranger R1 bike has a 500W high-speed motor that was designed specifically for commuting. The electric motor produces 55 Nm of torque, which provides the extra assistance you need when climbing a hill. That's plenty of juice for your daily commute, a mountain cruise, or a meander down your favorite route. The motor can reach a top speed of 28 miles per hour in full bike mode. You can also choose from 3 different power levels for the aided mode. You may change settings quickly and conveniently with a little joystick on the bike's handlebar. At 51.8 pounds, 23.5 kilograms, the Turbogo Ranger 1 is relatively light, making it easy to lift when necessary. You'll be hard-pressed to find a more adaptable electric bike on the market for less than $1,500. Best 4, daily use at a reasonable price. Check the links below for product details and prices. Number 3. Ride 1UP LMT'd, Best Premium Electric Bike. The Ride 1UP LMT'd is dubbed the Tesla of e-bikes by us. The Ride 1UP LMT'd is more than deserving of the premium electric bike category designation, with its powerful 1000W peak electric motor, improved LCD display, and high-quality materials throughout. However, you'll be astonished to see that it's still reasonably priced for the segment. The EMTB is no exception to Ride 1UP's reputation for creating some of the best value electric bikes on the market. The EMTB was supposed to be a car replacement, with higher degrees of pedal assist allowing for up to 50 miles of pure electric riding on a single charge. It has a top speed of 28 miles per hour. It's a bike built with meticulous attention to detail, with a motorcycle-like setup and quick acceleration to match. It's filled to the brim with outstanding features including a high-speed brushless motor and a battery capacity twice as powerful as most other motorcycles on the market, and it's only a little over $1,000. The huge capacity Samsung lithium battery is buried inside the bike's frame, with no exposed wires for a stealthy appearance. The body of the Ride 1UP EMTB is built of lightweight alloy, with all internal circuits secured and electronics locked in. Schwalbe Supermoto X tires, a RST Asteria air fork, dual-piston Tektro hydraulic brakes, and a comfy silicone saddle are also included on the e-bike. It comes in two colors, midnight gray and desert and sand. Best for regular riders searching for the best premium e-bike currently available. Number 2. Ranger 26-inch. Best budget electric bike for commuting. Look no farther than the Ranger 26-inch if you're seeking for the cheapest electric bike on the market without sacrificing quality. This e-bike is far less expensive than most others on the market. However, when it comes to the quality and versatility of this e-bike, which offers a lightweight frame and strong design, its low price should be overlooked. It's no surprise that it's the best-selling electric bike on Amazon right now. The Ranger 26-inch e-bike is designed for daily commuting. This commuter electric bike is simple to ride, lightweight, but durable enough to negotiate through traffic, and extra safe thanks to bright lights on the back and front. It's the ideal partner for your city life, in our opinion. The bike is constructed entirely of high-quality aluminum alloy. The frame is light and easy to maneuver, yet it is also sturdy and long-lasting. The rims are constructed of double-walled aluminum alloy for increased durability and a faster, lower-drag ride. A strong suspension fork is mounted on the front wheel to enhance riding comfort on any terrain. Best for everyday commuting companion who doesn't make you sweat. Number 1. Lectric XP 2.0, Best Foldable Electric Bike. The Lectric XP 2.0 folding e-bike has everything you could want in an electric bike, plus the extra benefit of being lightweight. Lectric is known for producing some of the most popular electric commuter bikes on the market. They've used their knowledge to improve the best foldable electric bicycle with remarkable success with the Lectric XP 2.0. It's a cinch to own because to its lightweight frame and neutral balance, which makes it easy to carry up a flight of stairs. It's a terrific beginner bike for someone new to electric bikes who needs something simple to maneuver and ride. This bike's shape allows almost anyone between the heights of 4 feet 10 inches and 6 feet 7 inches to ride it comfortably. If you like, you can choose a step-through frame. Another benefit is that the Lectric XP 2.0 is pre-assembled due to its small size. There's no need to figure out how to construct it on your own. It's ready to ride as soon as you unpack it. Check the links below for product details and prices. What do you think about this video? Do let us know down in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go.